Join me to unbox my Galaxy S25 Ultra 1 TB. Yes, my new phone with the watch Samsung Galaxy 7 watch 7. So let me explain to you. Explain to you that the reason I even add the watch. So that is me there. Let me open my new phone. This phone and the watch, the money for some area for Nigeria. You feel even buy house. You feel even use the money to buy house for some area. The reason I do this video, some people they upgrade their phone, some people they buy new phone and they buy the phone like buying sick. My own not be like that. I already have iPhone. I have iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 14 Pro Max, 1 TB. I always go for 1 TB. But when iPhone 15, 16 come out, I just asked them, I want to upgrade. Let me go and buy the latest iPhone. Then I asked me, this is the time I'm transferring everything I have on my new old phone to this new one. 4 years ago when I celebrated 40th birthday, my husband bought Fold 3 for me, Samsung Fold 3. So that Samsung Fold 3, everything with inside that Samsung Fold 3. Now I want transfer come to this new Ultra 25. So the reason I go for this Ultra 25, let me explain to you now. We use a buy phone and not get any reason to buy a new phone. My own, I use and say they do. I'm a content creator. I'm a youth, not say I be YouTuber. So my own, I use all this my phone what I get. I just use until they make money to photo shoot as well. So I be want to go for iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I asked them, they can't ask me say which reason I want to buy another phone. I can't tell them say I need good camera. They can't introduce this phone to me, this S25 Ultra. Say if now because of camera picture, let you go for that. Oh God, the photo shoot where I don't use this phone to do phone, I see the different. And the reason I like the watch, sometimes I'll leave my phone for what, just go outside with only the watch. You connect both technology. This watch, everything, your heart rate, blood pressure, your step, how many steps you do a day. Sometimes I do 15 steps a day. So this watch carry everything. My Facebook, my YouTube, WhatsApp, everything is on it. So all my phone why they buy, they use them till they make money. You will use the buy phone just to they receive call, just to they press. My own, they use them till they make money. They use them till they do contents. And they understand. That is the reason I get phones. Yes, so thank you. Bye.